Have you ever wondered what it was like sailing a Royal Caribbean cruise during Christmas? What is the decor? What are the crowds like? The food? The cost? If you have, this video is spilling all the Christmas tea, from dress code all the way to whether there's a Santa and whether there's a Christmas dinner menu. All right, y'all, let's get into it, because a Royal Caribbean Christmas cruise is a whole vibe. So what is the decor? Well, Royal Caribbean doesn't play when it comes to their Christmas decor. We're talking giant atrium Christmas trees, some going up 2 decks, garlands everywhere, wreaths, Christmas villages in places like the Windjammer or on deck 5 in the Royal Promenade, twinkling lights, gingerbread houses, and ship-themed holiday decorations. And on the Oasis and Icon classes, the Royal Promenade turns into a legit Hallmark movie set, like Hallmark Home for the Holidays type of movie set, y'all. Perfect for your pictures, perfect for that Christmassy wow moment as soon as you board. What's the dress code? Well, people definitely lean festive, so you're gonna see the ugly Christmas sweaters. You're gonna see the red and green cocktail dresses, matching family pajamas, Santa hats everywhere. Formal night often turns into a Christmas formal, so expect sparkles, metallics, all very Instagram worthy. Now, nothing is required, but believe me, packing something at least festive is gonna make it way more fun. Of course, there's a special Christmas menu. You're gonna typically find items like roasted turkey, prime rib, glazed ham, eggnog cheesecake, y'all, and of course, Christmas cookies and those hot chocolate stations. The Windjammer goes full holiday mode too. You're gonna see holiday desserts, themed bread displays, gingerbread men, and more sweets than you can justify eating. Does Royal Caribbean host special events? Is there a Santa? Absolutely, Royal Caribbean brings Santa on board, and he doesn't hide. You can expect Santa meet and greets, Christmas caroling, holiday parades on select ships, cookie decorating, Christmas themed trivia, Christmas themed shows, movie nights with classics like Home Alone. There's definitely going to be a tree lighting ceremony and Christmas Eve church service on most ships. And if you're sailing on December 25th, there will be a full Christmas morning event for the kiddos. So what's the crowd size like? Christmas cruises are packed. Ships sail pretty close to full because this is one of Royal Caribbean's peak weeks of the entire year. So you can expect lots of families, lots of kids, and a very energetic atmosphere. If you prefer a quiet cruise, Christmas week is not that. But if you love a lively ship, then you're going to feel right at home. Now, how much does a Christmas cruise cost? Okay, this is where the tea gets hot. Christmas week is going to be one of the most expensive times of the year. You're easily going to pay 2 to 3 times the price of a regular sailing, and inside rooms can cost as much as balconies. Suites, don't even ask. Add in flights, holiday demand, sold out excursions, and this is a premium cruise week, but people pay for it because honestly, the experience is quite magical. So is it worth it? Well, if you want quiet, low cost, and low crowd, this is not going to be your week. It's cozy. So if you want cozy Christmas vibes, non-stop entertainment that is largely Christmas themed, festive decor, the built-in Christmas holiday magic without the cooking, the cleaning, or the hosting, then yes, a Royal Caribbean Christmas cruise is worth every penny. On your way out, don't forget to hit that like button because it helps us get into the YouTube's algorithm, and also hit that subscribe button to join our Cruiseaholics family for all things Royal Caribbean Cruises. Happy holidays and happy sailing!